Alright guys, so I got in my car the other day and got a air parking lamp malfunction. I'm going to show you how to switch this and where it's located. The parking bulb is right there. It's above the headlight is right there, and then you have the running light. So it's that tiny bulb right there. That's the parking. I'm going to show you again. There it is. So it's out on the other side, so I'm going to replace it. Guys, to replace it, you need to take off this plastic cap, and you see right there, so right there is the parking bulb, and you need to twist it counterclockwise. It comes out right there, and then you twist it again this way and it comes out. And to replace the new one, you just have to line up these holes right here and twist it again in place. Go back on this side. You see inside you have to line up the holes right there and then twist it, and that's it. As you see, lock it's now on and there's no air. Guys, so these two lines right there and right there, it has to be facing this way, and then you turn it. So don't put it in up sideways like this, because you can break it. So it goes in like that and just turn clockwise now. There we go, no more errors. That's what we want to see.